What if a simple oral supplement could supposedly trigger GLP-1 activity, melt away stubborn fat, balance blood sugar, boost metabolism, and even support healthy aging all at the same time? That's exactly the promise behind Lumebloom 8-in-1 Oral Solution, a product that has been gaining attention across social media and online advertisements. But does it actually live up to the hype, or is it another supplement benefiting from the popularity of GLP-1 weight loss medications? Based on the available information, Lumebloom appears to rely heavily on marketing claims rather than strong scientific evidence. The product promotes the idea of GLP-1 activation, yet there is currently no publicly available clinical research showing that Lumebloom can replicate the effects of prescription GLP-1 medications. Many of the ingredients included may provide general wellness support, but that is very different from producing the significant appetite suppression and weight loss results often associated with medical treatments. Another concern is the use of trendy medical terminology that can make the product sound more advanced than the evidence actually supports. The advertising frequently combines weight loss, blood sugar support, metabolic enhancement, and anti-aging benefits into one package, which can create unrealistic expectations. Rapid transformation claims shown in some promotions also raise questions, as meaningful and sustainable weight loss typically takes time and varies from person to person. There are also reports of questionable authority claims, references to experts that are difficult to verify, and testimonials that appear unusually perfect. Some advertisements feature dramatic before and after images that may not accurately represent typical results. In addition, the product is marketed with aggressive discounts, limited time offers, and bundle deals designed to encourage quick purchasing decisions. Overall, Lumebloom may contain ingredients that offer mild health benefits, but there is currently no reliable evidence proving it can deliver the dramatic GLP-1-like results often advertised. As with any supplement, consumers should approach the claims carefully, review the available evidence, and maintain realistic expectations before making a purchase decision.